Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TECHIES. Friends, tell me one thing. Are you really fed up of the unnecessary messages that you're getting on your Facebook Messenger? Or you're getting the messages every time you're getting the notification tone and you just want to get rid of that? Well, if you're looking for the solution, then you have landed to the right video, because today in this video I'm going to demonstrate you that how can you log out from your Facebook Messenger. All right, so let's begin the video now. I would like to inform you the first thing is you should have a Facebook Messenger app properly downloaded in your phone. Even if you do not have, then at least you must have the Facebook application properly downloaded. So first of all, let me go ahead and open the Facebook application for you. You can log in from here. All right, so once you will open your Facebook app, you will be on the home page of your Facebook. You need to press your profile icon. Over here on the top right side corner, you see your profile icon with 3 bars on it. You need to press this icon. So once you will press it, it will open the menu box for you. From here, you have to select the settings icon, which is exactly on the top right side corner near this magnifying glass. You see this gear up kind of an icon over here. You need to tap on that. Once you will open it, it will take you to another page. And now from here, you have to come to the security and login option. You need to scroll down and you need to come to that option. After that, you will be connected to another page. Here you have all the options. It will give you the details where you are logged in, on which handsets you have logged in, and all this information. Now on the second bar, you see over here where you are logged in, it's giving me all my phone information, where exactly I have logged in. And if you want to see all the options, tap this icon, see all. Now here is all the information and the details that you have logged in. And what you need to do is you need to press this button, log out of all sessions. Now it will ask you again. This will log you out from Facebook from every device you're currently logged in. If you didn't log in on any of these devices, we can help you secure your account. Well, we have to log out. And this is how now you have logged out from your Facebook Messenger application. Now let's go ahead and check whether it has really logged us out again or not. Now let's go back. First, let me check my Facebook application. Yeah, I'm properly logged in with my Facebook. Now let me go ahead and check my Facebook Messenger. See, it says session expired, please log in again. That means our job is done. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.